Guys, quick question. How many times have you wanted to get what's on your phone up on your TV, laptop, or even your tablet? And it's just been a nightmare. Either the tech doesn't play nicely, you're juggling different cables, or you're just stuck inside one brand's ecosystem. Well, today I'm going to show you an app that lets you cast, share, and stream between all of your devices seamlessly. Sound good? Well, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, today we are looking at 1001 TVs, and this is more than just a screen mirroring app. It's already trusted by over 3 million users, and for good reason. Why? Well, because as well as screen mirroring, it handles file transfers, live streaming, gaming, family photo albums, and office productivity. Basically, if you've got a screen, this app finds a way to make it bigger, better, and easier to share. Now, before we get into it, 1001 TVs reached out and asked me to take a look at this cool tool and to give it an honest review. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's take a look at this software in action. So guys, let's talk about screen mirroring first, because that's the bread and butter here. Most apps tie you down. They'll only work with certain phones or certain TVs. This one doesn't matter. If you're on Android, iPhone, even your computer, your screen is mirrored instantly with no fuss. Then there's file sharing, and honestly, this might be my favorite. No wires, no, oh, I'll email it to you in a sec, none of that. You can just transfer photos, videos, music, whatever, straight between your phone and your TV or even your laptop. It's way faster, and it doesn't make you feel like you've kind of gone back 20 years in time. I mean, we all know how difficult it is trying to get your content onto devices when they're not in the same ecosystem. Also guys, streaming's even easier. Whatever is on your phone, you can push straight to your TV. No downloads, no buffering, you hit play and boom, it's done. And guys, don't forget about the family album. This one's actually brilliant. Instead of everyone squinting at a tiny phone screen, you can put all your photos straight up on the TV. Holidays, birthdays, and that embarrassing Christmas jumper that you swore no one would ever see again. Now, it's all on the TV in all of its glory. And guys, whatever reason you have for needing to present content, you can just forget about cables or hunting for the right adapter. Presentations, files, brainstorming sessions, now they're all there, they're all wireless, and you know what? Your meetings will go smoother. You'll look more organized, and nobody's watching you crawl under the table to plug something in. And guys, don't worry, it's not just your phone you can mirror from. In fact, you can download the companion app for your Android, iOS, Mac, Windows PC, or TV. Here's a use case that we're all too familiar with. You're in a meeting and you need to get your presentation up on the projector screen. You can mess around with trying to find the right cable or adapter, or you can just fire up your PC and mirror your screen straight to your TV screen or projector. In a few seconds, your presentation is on the screen and you are ready to present. I mean, that's professional, right? In fact, it's not just presentations. Because you're mirroring your PC screen, you can put anything you want up on that big screen. And of course, for most of us, it's about entertainment, and this cool software can give you a home cinema right in your pocket. Local videos, Netflix, live workouts, gaming streams are all cast straight onto your TV. And lastly guys, although there are probably a ton more examples, gaming. We all love gaming, and having the ability to cast your mobile games onto your PC or your TV even get multiple devices going at once is an absolute game changer. So guys, there you have it. 1001 TVs, no fuss, no faff, just screencasting, file sharing, streaming, gaming, teaching and entertainment all rolled into one app. Honestly, it just makes life easier. Once you've used it, you will wonder how you ever lived without it. And guys, for the price of £19.99 annually, it's a bit of a no-brainer. Guys, I'll leave any product links and any further discount codes in the description. And if you have any comments or questions, then please leave them below. And guys, if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on that bell icon so you could be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to 1001 TVs for sending me this cool software to review. I'm Dave with Scenes Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.